Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Sohail Ahmed and you are watching now the Knowledge Combo channel. And today's video is all about prepositions. She walked dash the streets. She walked down the streets. I always prefer to read dash the school library. I always prefer to read in the school library. He can swim dash the pool. He can swim in the pool. There were thousands of people dash the protest. There were thousands of people at the protest. The school meeting begins dash 5 pm. The school meeting begins at 5 pm. I was too young dash remember this incident. I was too young to remember this incident.